Alright, here's basically the phone. The crack that I was talking about. You can see, there you go. You see it now. It has a hard time turning on. Look, if you press it on this side. Here. Look. Press it on this side, it doesn't work. Press it on the other side, it does work. This side doesn't work. This side does work, see? Another way you can easily tell messes up is you notice you don't hear anything, like a click. Look at this other one that I have. You can hear it. Watch this. Hear that? Well, the battery's dead right now, but it's very easy to press. You can hear it. See that? This one, I don't know what happened. There's something loose. Nothing. I think so. I don't know. But yeah, there's something wrong with it. But yeah, that's pretty much here. Let me do show you the. Let me show you the IEM or something like that, just to make sure that it is the same phone. If I could get it to work. About okay, obviously you can't see that. There you go. So 01285000799225. That's it.